Aisha, where did your father and mother go?
They went to see our grandpa and grandma. They are always happy to see us. You know, Hannah, my grandma knows lots of interesting stories. We also love to listen to her.
So you have done a lot of good deeds today, haven't you?
How?
Visiting relatives itself is a good deed.
Yeah, I know. Dad is very interested in such things. Ali, be careful.
Don't fall.
Okay, sister. I will never fall. Yeah. Oh,
Allah.
I fell, but I'm not hurt.
Aisha, your father is coming.
Okay then, let me go. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Ali, come on. We can go now. You can play tomorrow.
Let me play some more time, Daddy.
We must reach home before Maghrib Namaz, Ali. Come fast.
Aisha, come fast. Ali, come fast. Mom is calling.
Let's see who will reach first. I won. Aisha, get in fast.
Eh? What did you call? Aisha?
Sorry. Sister.
Mr. Ali, may I get in?
Okay, sister.